So different types of stationery has always been one of my favorite things. So when the brand wanted to reach out to me and send me some samples so I could give my honest opinion, I jumped at the chance. So these are the dry erase markers, and they come with 8 different colors, and I'm going to show you all the different colors. So we have purple, blue, orange, yellow, green, pink, purple, and gray. What I love too about these, they do have a triangle design, so they are not going to roll everywhere, which is super important when you're going to get like, you're going to have like little rolling on a desk or something. So let's see exactly how this works. So we're going to write A, B, C. As you can see, super pigmented and everything like that. The top does fit on the back of here, which is super important. And there's a nice nice tight squeeze. Here is the blue. It is a nice pigmented blue. We're gonna get a nice orange going. Beautiful orange. What I love too is, even though they're in the pastel packaging, I'm still easily able to read them in this white, on this whiteboard. And yellow, yeah, yellow super easily. Sometimes yellow just kind of disappears, but this one I feel like I'm easily able to see it. Green, pink. These are just so beautiful. Purple and gray or black. So if you're looking to kind of like shape up your whiteboard game, these are definitely going to be what you want.